Cush Suspensions is a manufacturer that produces heavy haul, custom made and boutique suspensions that go on tractors and trailers around the world. I want to provide the best product at a reasonable, healthy price. And if we say we're going to build 30 units of something and it's going to be done on June 7th, I want to be able to tell that person with confidence it's going to be done on June 7th. Before Team D3 came on, we were stumbling around in a dark room looking for a light switch. We found ourselves in positions where we've discovered that we have assemblies to build, but we don't have the parts to build them. We can't find them.
We partner with our clients to implement the latest and greatest in engineering and design technologies, which currently happens to be Autodesk Solutions and CTech ERP. So we're able to remove data silos that are traditionally housed in various solutions and tie them all together. Cush was really struggling with organization and visibility of their work. They didn't know the status of their jobs, so they had a lot of spreadsheets, a lot of text messages, a lot of emails, and that's something that a lot of companies struggle with because they don't have an excellent tool to help them.
Tools like CTech ERP, Autodesk Manufacturing Solutions, those two partnered with Team D3 is preparing the company for its future.
CTech places a very high priority on making sure that the functions and workflows available for the production staff can meet virtually any workflow.
We've been able to improve our cash flow, make decisions that are based on data instead of a gut feeling. Cush is now equipped to be able to provide a service to customers that no one else can really match. And being accurate with our due dates and being accurate with our costing.
When we came in and helped them put in the ERP, we helped them do a full inventory. They realized that they had over $1 million more of inventory than they thought they did.
You know, the first step to solving a problem is awareness. And so it was really enlightening to be able to see these problems and start to be able to fix them.
The commitment they've made to their customers for delivery dates funnels demand into the system. From there, they're able to apply a lean approach to ordering material. They have full visibility on what do they need, when do they need it, and they can strategically place purchase orders and plan their cash flow to manage that.
I mean, to put it simply, we've grown 4x in size since then, only because we've been able to partner with them and fully implement into their systems.
Cush now has standard and scalable processes, optimized cash flow, and the highest level of efficiency they've ever had. With real-time accurate data, Cush can now make better decisions.
Because of our partnership with Team D3, we feel we can take on just about anything. I would definitely recommend Team D3.